All right, gang. I was just in the hostel that I started at this trip. Now I'm ending the trip, chilling there. I'm not sleeping anywhere, pulling all-nighter out in the street, but I did convince them to let me eat dinner in there and just hang with people in there. Now, I'm trying to find, I hear some fireworks going off here. We're about 6 minutes away from it being New Year's. Oh, people are already letting those balloons go up in the air. I wondered where you guys went. Oh, there we got some fireworks going. Oh, yeah, this car is one of them. There we go, we got fireworks over there. Holy, where the hell are they coming from? Oh, they're over here. Yeah. Oh, nice, Anwar, you found the good ones. Anwar's got the good spot over there. Oh, there's Danielle. Oh, look at that. Look at them all go. Oh. Holy crap. So many. Oh, bats are out. Do you just want to head up to the 3rd floor? Or are you good chilling here? The 3rd floor, you can probably see everything on that side. Wow. Well, where's Anwar? He's gone down the street. Well, I wonder, because they really, like, the fireworks are around the entire city, man. Like, everywhere, man. Oh yeah, wow. They're everywhere, man. This is crazy. So you guys remember night 1 with New Year's Eve? I'm talking about future kids, by the way. I always do this. We saw it from that angle from the balcony, but I didn't even get to see the hill, up on the hill. That's a cool view, because that's gonna be up by the national park there, and they're getting all the fireworks going up there. Oh, we got a mini show over beside us here. Oh yeah, they're everywhere, folks. Fireworks are everywhere tonight. That's cool up on the mountain. You can see little fireworks shows up at the top. There you go. Yes, Anwar. Anwar's just going. Yes. We've ditched the ones over there. Now we're just focusing on the show up on the mountain. Anyways, gang, who knows if there'll be a part 4 to this series. This could be the end of my New Year's in El Salvador. It could be just the beginning, because I am going to meet up with some people at the bars after this. If the bars will even let me in, I don't know. They're going to town over there. Wow. It's like, oh, look at that. They're just going to town up there. Look at that. The city is celebrating their New Year's. I just met Ilka and Anwar. Anwar is Malaysian. Ilka is from Finland. Anyways, you guys have seen fireworks before, but also the city's dead right now, which is kind of crazy. Like the streets are absolutely dead. Oh, okay. We get our own show now. Great. Gotta love that. Yeah, good show. The boys. These boys have the best travel stories ever. You guys see to arrange, you know? See you, gang.